What is the most awaited news regarding Cardano being listed on Robinhood? Will this be the moment that ADA holders have been waiting for? Watch this video to find out what big news Robinhood just revealed about Cardano. In September, Robinhood said it would begin testing cryptocurrency wallets next month so that its users would be able to move, send, and receive digital currencies within the Robinhood app. Also, it has been announced that an expanded rollout will commence in early 2022, according to the California-based financial services company. Further, the Menlo Park-based retail brokerage allows investors to buy, sell, and hold certain cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and for the first time last quarter, crypto transactions exceeded equity transactions. Meanwhile, how does a crypto wallet work? The pandemic boom helped give Robinhood a chance to ramp up its crypto wallet offerings, allowing its customers to buy non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum network or cryptocurrency assets more broadly. According to Aparna Chennapragada, Robinhood's chief product officer, this is the natural next step for us when we think about democratizing finance for all, being able to have a lot more people from a lot of different contexts participate in this emerging market, and wallets are the key. According to Chennapragada, this is the next step when we think about democratizing finance for all, allowing people from a variety of backgrounds to participate in the emerging market, and wallets are the key to doing that. And as part of the phased rollout, Robinhood customers can also sign up for a waitlist to get access to the wallets in the future. So is Cardano among the cryptocurrencies that Robinhood will be testing? In this video, I will share with you why Cardano has a chance of becoming an exchange-listed coin. With Cardano becoming one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the industry, there is no doubt about its potential. With a market cap of $51.15 billion, Cardano is now ranked 6th among the world's largest cryptocurrencies. That is why this puts Cardano on the same level as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are highly sought after. With a ticker named after English mathematician Ada Lovelace, this digital currency hopes to be more sustainable and scalable than other large crypto assets. Throughout the past few years, Cardano has been quite successful in becoming a leading network for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. As a result of this success, the stock value of ADA increased by 2,000% over the past year. Here's why investors may want to keep investing in Cardano at a market cap of $51 billion token. In the first place, it's faster than the competition. It is one of the biggest problems for most cryptocurrencies that they cannot scale. According to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the largest crypto tokens can process an average of 4.6 and 15 to 20 transactions per second. Cardano, however, is right up there with the best when it comes to speed. In 2017, this network was shown to be able to handle 257 transactions per second, and that's more than most other networks can manage. Further, the transaction speed is a metric that investors are watching more closely, and once the Hydra protocol is fully implemented, Cardano's network will be able to accept micropayments and micro-tipping. It has taken Cardano 5 years to develop this protocol, but experts believe that it will allow them to process up to 1,000 transactions per second. Therefore, it remains an attractive cryptocurrency network due to its scalability. Thus, putting this level of speed in perspective, the Visa network processes approximately 1,700 transactions per second. With its lightning-quick execution of transactions at extremely low costs, Cardano, at least in theory, could rival some major incumbents. Furthermore, the versatility of Cardano appeals to many. Due to the fact that Ethereum and Cardano share the same founder, it's not surprising to see Cardano grow so rapidly. Smart contracts are revolutionizing the way some networks are operated. So in case you don't know, in smart contracts, two parties create a digital deal that automatically executes when certain conditions are met. Decentralized finance of DeFi and decentralized applications, or dApps, are both movements based on these principles. So with Cardano's versatility in making a real difference in sectors like finance, healthcare, and law, the company is a real disruptor. Nevertheless, Cardano's proof-of-stake protocol is one of the key reasons investors like the network. And the advantage of proof-of-stake mining over Bitcoin and other proof-of-work cryptos is that investors can stake their funds to validate the blockchain instead of having to process a transaction. In this case, much less computing power is required as compared to a traditional POW model. So environmentally conscious investors like this model. In addition to allowing relatively low transaction fees and faster transaction times, proof-of-stake validation protocols also reduce energy consumption. In light of this validation model, Cardano became one of the early adopters, propelling it up the market cap list very quickly. Moreover, Cardano's success will likely inspire other cryptocurrencies shortly. Furthermore, Cardano is limited in supply. Cardano has a finite supply, unlike some other cryptocurrencies whose production is not capped at a certain number. And Cardano follows Bitcoin's lead in this regard. For its token supply cap, Cardano picked an arbitrary value of 45 billion, as opposed to Bitcoin, which set its cap at 21 million. Tokens for the ADA cryptocurrency are currently in circulation in the amount of approximately 32 billion. Thus, ADA investors should be aware that approximately 70% of all ADA tokens are already in existence. Furthermore, by restricting supply, investors can secure a theoretical floor beneath the price of ADA if supply and demand remain unchanged. Thus, a significant factor in the value of Cardano is supply and demand, as it is with other cryptocurrencies. Currently, Cardano is one of the most sought-after cryptocurrencies, although risks related to the continued inflow of capital and the amount of leverage used in the cryptocurrency market remain. Meanwhile, investors should pay attention to these risks. Cardano currently has several great advantages that make it worth considering. However, investors need to be aware that there are also risks involved with this investment. Considering that Cardano is also a relatively new cryptocurrency, the entire crypto world is still growing rapidly, as well as being in its infancy. However, how competitive the Cardano network becomes over time will determine whether Cardano remains a top cryptocurrency. Taking this into consideration, Cardano looks solid in this regard. On the other hand, the crypto market remains incredibly unpredictable. It is important for cryptocurrency buyers to be aware of this fact and to position themselves accordingly. While Cardano may seem like a great investment, there are significant risks associated with any asset class that has demonstrated this level of volatility for such a long period. The price of Cardano traded between $1.63 and $1.55 in the last week of November. In this week, ADA has seen its exchange rate drop between 10.2 and 13.4%. In addition to this, the short-term technical analysis from CoinCodex for the last week of November was bearish, with 9 indicators indicating a bullish trend and 22 indicating a bearish trend. Moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, the relative strength index, or RSI, and the volume-weighted moving average, or VWMA, showed no signal, while the whole moving average and the volume-weighted moving average gave buy signals. And every week, ADA's moving averages indicated a buy signal. Further, on a longer-term basis, the Cardano ADA USD forecast from Wallet Investor predicted that the average price could reach $2.23 by 2021, climb to $4.44 by 2022, and reach $12.86 by the end of 2026. And from Digital Coin's ADA coin price forecast, it's anticipated that the coin will average $3.08 in 2022, up from $2.49 in 2021, and climb to $4.98 in 2025. According to the report, the coin would be worth $7.47 on average by 2028. Aside from that, since some of the developers plan to improve it globally, and several of those plans have already been realized, Cardano's future is relatively bright. And what do you think of it? Do you think we should wait for a sharp rise or fall in the value of the coin? Please keep in mind that the figures I've mentioned will differ depending on when I made this video and when you watch it. Due to this, I believe that Robinhood will skyrocket Cardano's price once the company adds Cardano to its platform. Are you having enough Cardano to make huge profits from this price spike? If you want to win more Cardano, look in the comments section for the giveaway. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.